Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today, I am going to show you how to make your very own paper mistletoe. For this tutorial, I'll be using the supplies from the Blooms by Beam Paper Mistletoe Craft Kit, which you can find through the link in the description. This project is perfect for beginners, so even if you're new to arts and crafts, you'll be able to follow along and start your paper crafting journey with ease. I can't wait to create these simple yet beautiful paper mistletoe with you. So let's get crafting. Cut the templates provided in your craft kit using the green lines as guide. Cut a piece of green crepe paper using template A as guide. Make sure to follow the grain of the crepe paper to the wavy lines of the template. Stretch the green crepe paper to about double its size. Fold the green crepe paper in half 2 times. Now, using the leaf template as guide, cut a leaf shape from the folded strip of crepe paper. From your craft kit, grab a thick wire from the bundle of wires provided. Now bind 2 leaves onto the thick wire with floral tape. If it's your first time working with floral tape, give yourself some time for trial and error. Stretching the floral tape as you bind will release its adhesive quality, so make sure that you pull as you go. Floral tape only adheres to itself, so make sure that the floral tape overlaps onto itself as you wrap. You can wrap the floral tape to up to a third or halfway through the wire. Bend the leaves inward with your thumb and pointy finger to mimic the natural look of mistletoe leaves. Repeat the steps of binding the 2 leaves onto the wire, wrapping it up with floral tape, and bending the leaves inwards to create another leaf sprig. Now bind the two leaf sprigs together using floral tape. Ideally, you'd want to wrap the floral tape all the way down the stem to create a clean finish. Bend the stems to make the mistletoe look more natural. To make the mistletoe berries, insert a thin wire through one of the beads provided in the craft kit. Fold the wire in half and twist the ends together to form a stem. You can mix things up. Sprigs can hold 2 to 3 berries or leaves, maybe only one, or none at all for a realistic and naturalistic effect. Place the berries where the two leaf sprigs meet. Then, bind the berry stem together with the leaf stem, making sure that the wires are covered up with floral tape. Now repeat the steps 1 to 8 to create as many mistletoe sprigs as you can. The more sprigs you create, the fuller the branch will be. With the materials provided in the craft kit, you can create as many as 20 mistletoe leaf sprigs. When you're happy with the amount of sprigs you created, gather them together to form one big branch. Bundle the sprigs in a varied way. Mix up the lengths so a few sit shorter than the others. And some stems can fan outwards to add depth and realism. Bind them tightly together with floral tape, making sure to cover any exposed wires. For wires that extend too far, bend them back to form a thicker stem and secure it with floral tape. Make sure to wrap any exposed stem with floral tape. Loosen the arrangement by fanning some stems and leaves to the sides. Bend the end of the branch to create a hook so you can easily hang it around your home. Lastly, complete your creation with a plush velvet ribbon provided in the craft kit for a festive flair.